guys, Akash here and welcome back to another video. So today we are building a PC with this Gigabyte RTX 2060. So without further delay, let's jump right into it. We have finally completed the build. As you can see, the build looks amazing. The full list of specifications is given in the description down below. If you want to build a PC like this, you can contact our Facebook page, which is Saboo Computers. Also, you can DM us on our Instagram page. All the contact details and on the WhatsApp details, everything will be given in the description. So make sure you check out that. And that's pretty much it. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.